Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a full, detailed review of the 2026 Toyota Fortuner, one of the most capable and popular midsize SUVs in global markets. The Fortuner carries a reputation for rugged durability, family-friendly utility, and dependable performance. And the 2026 model builds on that legacy with updated styling, refined technology, improved comfort, and even more capability both on and off the road. In this review, we'll cover everything from exterior design and interior features to performance, technology, pricing, and suggestions that could make the Fortuner even better. Let's get into it. From the moment you first see the 2026 Toyota Fortuner, its presence stands out. The front end has been refreshed with a bold grille that grabs attention, large, angular, and flanked by striking LED headlights that give the Fortuner a purposeful gaze on the road. The front bumper is sculpted yet muscular, with integrated fog lights and lower air ducts that add a touch of aggression while still fitting into the Fortuner's rugged identity. Hood lines are subtle but confident, giving the front end depth and a sense of forward motion, moving to the side profile. The Fortuner's SUV stance is unmistakable. The elevated ride height and pronounced wheel arches give it a commanding presence, while strong character lines along the doors add visual strength and energy to the body. The windows are positioned to provide excellent outward visibility, a big plus when navigating tight city streets or scenic off-road trails. Running boards help with entry and exit, especially useful for families and taller adults. And roof rails add both style and utility for roof racks or cargo carriers. At the rear, the 2026 Fortuner continues its purposeful design language. LED taillights wrap around the corners and provide excellent nighttime visibility, while the clean rear tailgate integrates subtle contours that complement the vehicle's overall sculpted look. A rear spoiler adds a sporty touch, and the rear bumper is durable and protective, ready for rougher terrains without looking out of place. The spare tire placement is smart, accessible but tidy, and the overall tailgate area feels both practical and integrated into the SUV's design logic. Once you step inside the Fortuner, the cabin feels spacious, well-tracked, and thoughtfully designed. Toyota has improved the interior quality with upgraded materials, soft-touch surfaces in key areas, and refined trim details that elevate the feel above what you might expect in a rugged SUV. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with heating available on higher trims, and the driver's seat offers good visibility, a relaxed seating posture, and intuitive access to controls. The dashboard layout is clean and well organized. A large infotainment touchscreen sits front and center, with crisp graphics that support navigation, media, and smartphone connectivity via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The touch interface feels responsive, and Toyota hasn't neglected physical controls. Practical knobs and buttons remain for quick adjustments to climate settings, audio volume, and essential vehicle functions. The steering wheel is nicely wrapped and features integrated buttons for hands-free communication, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and audio functions, all without cluttering the layout. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and headroom thanks to the Fortuner's tall profile. 3 rows of seating make this SUV a strong choice for families, with the third row being surprisingly usable for older children and occasional adult passengers. Rear climate vents, easily accessible USB charging ports, and flexible cup holder configurations make the second and third rows feel thoughtful rather than afterthoughts. Fold-down third-row seats expand cargo space, and with all rear seats folded, the Fortuner offers impressive storage for gear, luggage, or outdoor equipment. Now let's talk about performance and driving experience, where the 2026 Fortuner continues Toyota's tradition of rugged reliability. Several powertrains are available depending on market, typically including a robust diesel engine and a gasoline option. The diesel engine, a common choice in many regions, delivers strong low-end torque that's excellent for towing, off-road climbs, and highway passing. The gasoline engine offers smooth acceleration and refinement, making daily commutes and city driving effortless. Both engines are paired with either an automatic or manual transmission, though the automatic tends to be smoother and more convenient for urban driving. The all-wheel drive system is available in higher trims or select markets, giving the Fortuner serious capability when the pavement ends. Subaru's symmetrical AUD, combined with selectable drive modes and differential locks, where equipped, helps the vehicle adapt to mud, sand, snow, and gravel with confidence. Ground clearance remains high, and the suspension is tuned to balance comfort with capability, soft enough to smooth out bumps on the highway, yet resilient, Enough for uneven dirt roads and rougher trails, towing and hauling capabilities are strong for a vehicle in this class. Whether you're pulling a small trailer, boat, or camping gear, the Fortuner feels up to the task. Its chassis is robust and engineered to handle heavy loads while still maintaining composure. Steering feel is direct and predictable, making highway cruising stable and enjoyable. While braking performance is confident with good pedal feedback, safety, and driver assistance, technology in the 2026 Fortuner are comprehensive. Toyota equips this SUV with adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and more. Higher trims may offer advanced features like a 360-degree view camera, parking sensors, and enhanced autonomous driving support for highway use. These systems enhance confidence on long trips and in busy city traffic alike. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner positions itself firmly in the mid to upper range of the midsize SUV segment. Base models offer strong value with solid standard features, a capable powertrain, and essential safety gear. Mid-level trims add comfort and convenience upgrades like premium upholstery, larger infotainment screens, and improved audio systems. Top trims bring all the bells and whistles, advanced safety tech, PREM, IUM materials, panoramic sunroofs, larger wheels, and off-road enhancement packages. Toyota's strong reputation for durability and resale value also plays a role here, as Fortuner buyers often enjoy long-term peace of mind and low ownership costs. If there's room for improvement, a few suggestions come to mind. First, adding an optional panoramic heads-up display and higher trims would enhance safety and reduce eye movement away from the road. Second, an adaptive suspension system could elevate ride comfort and handling flexibility, especially useful on mixed terrain drives. Third, offering more interior customization options such as alternative trim colors, seat stitching patterns, and accent materials could help buyers tailor the SUV more to their personal tastes. Even with those points, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner remains a strong contender in its class, a vehicle that continues Toyota's legacy of dependable, rugged performance without sacrificing modern comfort and technology. It's equally at home on family trips, daily commutes, or dirt roads leading to a weekend adventure. With a blend of capability, comfort, and Toyota reliability, the Fortuner earns its place as one of the most versatile midsize SUVs on the market. Thanks for watching this full detailed review of the 2026 Toyota Fortuner. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more reviews of SUVs, off-road vehicles, and next-generation cars, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and stay inspired.